Hello guys, in this new video I will show you my new Skool community for niche please. Already have 41 members and it's growing each day. Okay, this video is gonna be to show you what the Skool community is available on it and the benefits that it got for you if you join it. Okay, I will show you in a quick way on the section. First, we have the general discussion, which everyone can participate here. You see, for example, this first member. Then, it's gonna be a second section of niches. And already have been 2 niche drops with exclusive secret niches for the community. Okay, here you see a video. All the comments of the people. Okay, I'm gonna try to post fresh secret niches that are different from the one from the channel. 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 times a week. Okay, if I find good niches, I'm gonna post them here. This is for the trend alerts. Yesterday I uploaded one, but I believe that it was Jimothy the raccoon. I don't know if you've heard of it, but I make a deep search and I found it that it's kind of risky, so I decided to delete it. But here you will find trends like 6-7, Punch Monkey, all these new trends. I'm gonna try to put it before they go viral, okay? Or there's too many competition, okay? In this section you will find Pro extensions. I'm making for free, all for free for the community. I already uploaded one graph and I need this on a t-shirt and I plan to upload a lot more that I'm working on it, okay? Also, similar to from extension section, it is the app section where I already uploaded PODScan Pro for free for the community and Vision Trap, okay? Always with an explanation of how to use the tool, a video, okay? All this for free, including the community. Also is the section of Chatting Queen that is what it is one of my AI assistant. And here you're gonna find all the news that Chatting Queen find on the web regarding to merch on demand. Okay, Merch Money Mike, my second AI assistant that it's a hiccup wrap full merch trend finder, you see, and it's gonna post 5 trends. I take like 3 times a week or more. It can find some, okay. Also, it is t-shirt teacher, that is the teacher for the classroom that will make videos, longer videos for usual print-on-demand necessities. Okay, first video is how to get accepted on merch on demand with tips and tricks. Second video is some ads, tips and tricks, and I will fully upload more videos getting you with the most common questions in the print-on-demand world, and maybe some other passive income things, okay? Also, the section of tips and tricks. Here I wanna post tips and tricks that I found or come to improve your performance, and also the community can post also tips and tricks. And here is the section of the trend chaser. This is gonna be daily scans or not, or maybe 3 or 4 times a week also. That is the scan of my app, my free app for the community also, of the trends, scanning all the web, okay? Here you have a calendar. I have told of this before in my other videos, but you will find it for free, okay? With all the information, okay? And that's it. The community is growing very fast. Like 3 or 4 days, I already have 41 members. The link will be in the description. The inscription is very cheap. At the moment, it's only $9. If you have a week of free trial, if you like it, you keep on the community. If you like it, you can cancel for free for 1 week. I hope to see you in the community. And if you have any other question, please leave it in the comments. So that's it for today, and see you in the next one. Bye.